Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with Me. I am here with another video and another question. Find the value of root 3 cosec 20 degrees minus sec of 20 degrees. Now we know that in trigonometry, by reciprocal formula, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine of theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now we'll be substituting the values and we'll be getting root 3 divided by sine of 20 degrees minus 1 upon cos of 20 degrees. For this type of question, always we have to convert it into sine and cos. Now by cross multiplying, root 3 into cos of 20 degrees minus sine of 20 degree divided by sine 20 degree into cos of 20 degree. Now we have to multiply and divide by 2, as we can convert this into sine 2 theta. Now root 3 by 2 into cos of 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 times of sine 20 degrees divided by sine of 20 degrees into cos of 20 degrees into 2, and completely multiplied by 4, as this will be taking common, then 2 into 2, that will be 4, and we have divided by 4 and multiplied by 4. Now further, we know the value of root 3 by 2 from the table, that is sine of 60 degrees into cos of 20 degrees minus cos of 60 degrees into sine of 20 degrees. From the trigonometric table, we know the value of cos of 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and divided by sine of 2 theta, that is 2 into 20 degrees into 4. Here 2 into sine theta 1 into theta into cos theta is equal to sine of 2 theta. Now moving ahead, 4 into, this is the sine of a minus b formula, so we'll be converting it accordingly, sine of 60 minus 20 degrees divided by sine of 40 degrees. Here 2 into 20, that is 40. Now after 60 after doing this calculation, sine of 60 minus 20, that will be equal to sine of 40 degrees and divided by sine of 40 degrees, and this 4, that is common. Now this sine of 40 degrees and sine of 40 degrees will cancel out, and we will be getting our final answer, that is equal to 4. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with Me. Thank you.